work on the law, the Copyright Act, to make sure it is implemented in Kenya and international treaties also. So right now we have a Copyright Bill 2026 that we are pushing. We want to overhaul the Copyright Act just to keep up with the times in terms of the online environment, for example. We have provided many things within the bill in terms of protection in the online environment. Just expanding the mandate of the Copyright Tribunal, for example. It is very narrow in the current act, so we are also have provided for that. So the bill is quite extensive in terms of being current. You are aware that the 2010 Constitution specifically provides for protection of intellectual property law, and so we also want to keep up with the laws of the land. So I want to encourage many people to go online on our social media to check out the Copyright and Related Rights Bill 2026. We have been receiving comments from the public. We are still continuing to do public participation on it. Another important function that Kecobo does is enforcement of copyright. This is where your work has been infringed upon. You are able to come to us, report, investigations are done, people are arrested, because that is part of what the Copyright Act says, that our officers are able to arrest, to seize infringing material, and they take you to court. Tomorrow we shall be having a training for police officers in Siaya County. We have also done this throughout the counties that we have been to, the 15 counties or so. So we are also training police on our mandate of enforcement, the process of investigation, whenever they hear of a copyright matter, how they can deal with it. And tomorrow we'll be in Siaya County with our police officers. Our other very vital function is supervision and licensing of CMOs. I know you have all heard of CMOs. We have collective management organizations, CMOs in Kenya, that collect royalties for artists. Mostly the CMOs we have are in the area of music. Currently, Kenya Copyright Board licenses and supervises them to do their work well. So currently we have licensed CAMP, Kenya Association of Music Producers. We have licensed PAVRISC, Performers' Rights and Audiovisual Society of Kenya. Those are the ones that are licensed to collect royalties for musicians. The idea is that they collect royalties, and the copyright regulations provide, out of what is collected, they're supposed to distribute at least 70% of their collections. So far that has been a difficult area, but it is being sorted out by the government. There is a presidential directive for Kenya Copyright Board through eCitizen and other partnerships to make sure that collections are done well and they're distributed as per the law. And so we are looking forward to a time where in the very near future, we are not going to hear creatives crying again that they received 1,000 or 500 from the royalties. We want to get to a situation where we are seeing creatives really earning from their works. So we are on social media, on all our pages. We welcome you to partner with us. Even our journalists, we are partnering with media houses to train journalists, because a lot of content you deal with is copyright protected content. So we are open to training even your people, the editors, the people who create the content in the area of copyright and related rights.
We are here to make sure that our creatives have the right foundation, because earning money and having income is not enough. You need values to be able to manage this income, and we are also giving them financial literacy to enable know when to invest. As a natural person, I encourage people in succession management, where they are supposed to know that when talent dies, you need something to fall on. You need a career, you need an investment, you need a business. And that's what we are doing together. But we make sure that for a business to succeed, for your career to succeed, for your talent to succeed, you require values and good principles of good governance.
Otieno, Arts and Creative Economy Officer. I'm representing Siaya County. I would like to thank Kecobo for coming here in Siaya, for protecting the talents of the youth and nurturing them. We as the government, we no longer take creative economy as a side activity, but as a main activity, as it contributes to entrepreneurship, employment, and it also promotes tourism and sports and arts as the department. Yes, I would like to tell the youth that registration now is free. I urge all the youth to register
Marenya David from Siaya County. As you've been told, I'm a creative artist and innovative one. I'm a beneficiary of the process that is here today in Siaya, and I can say that it is Godsend. Godsend in the sense that previously I've lost artworks, my own creations. As you know, sometimes you do an innovation, then you share it. Now, before you know, it has been taken. Then you see it in another media. The advancement in information technology has made it, has actually done not only good, but also the bad side of it is that you create something, you share it. If you don't know, it's gone. As we speak, I've through the training, through the interaction with Madam Sharon, so far I've actually done 15 copyrights of my works. And this revolves in innovations that I've done, which if I couldn't have actually taken the process of copyright, then definitely you will find them in China and things like that. I do value addition on leather. Leather that has been discarded as waste, or rather has been graded not good for export. So I draw on goat skin and cowhide using fire. It's an innovation that I'm the only one doing it in Kenya. And I encourage the youths that we start where we are. We use the resources that we have. Then in so doing, I not only increase my own household level income, but I also use art as a therapy to rehabilitate the substance and drug abusers in the society.
I'm Faith Otieno, aka Mishi Banks. To the young creative who are outside there, I would like to encourage all of you that come out in numbers and register your creatives with the Kecobo. It pays. And then, as a social worker, I've also learned something important. I've learned how to empower or educate the communities out there about intellectual property rights. Thank you very much, Kecobo. #on your rights.
I am Geoffrey Oduor, alias MC Jeff 001. I'm a creative, I'm a professional master of ceremony, and I'm a script writer and a drama director. Leo imekuwa siku poa kabisa kwa sisi youth. GNZ hapa Siaya nimepata talent yetu iko mob kabisa. Vile nilipata hii message nikajaribu kushare na wasee, wakaniambia now this is what tunataka kama GNZ Siaya. Na nimeshangaa nikapata watu wamekuja wengi sana, which is very positive. Mimi mwenyewe nimekuja hapa nijue hii art yangu ya kuandika scripts, hii art yangu ya kukua msanii ama content creator, naweza iprotect aje ndio mtu mwingine asikuja kaiba. Na pia nimekuja hapa nijue kama mimi nimeiba ya mtu, ni consequences gani ninaweza face. But I thank God leo nimezijua, nikajua vile naweza protect a script nimeandika na the content nimecreate naweza protect. So thanks manze Kecobo, na ingekuwa Mungu anaweza kubali mrudi tena na tena na tena. Mbarikiwe.